Title: Is Bougainvillea good or bad for your health? Subtitle: Ancient remedy or spiky trouble? Alright, quick reality check. That bright show-off vine, draped over fences, Bougainvillea, does more than look pretty. Bougainvillea spectabilis, the classic ornamental, has been used in traditional medicine for ages. Today, I'm climbing a benefits versus risks ladder so you can decide if it's friend, foe, or just plant decor. Base level: what's inside? Flavonoids, saponins, alkaloids, and phenolics. In lab and early animal studies, they act like anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, and even show antibacterial activity. That's the foundation. Step up: inflammation and pain. Extracts from leaves and bracts have reduced swelling and inflammatory markers in animal models. Less inflammation can mean less pain and better recovery, but remember, that's not the same as proven human pain relief. Next rung: blood sugar support. Several small studies suggest Bougainvillea extracts may help lower fasting glucose and improve insulin sensitivity in animals, with a few preliminary human data points. If you're managing diabetes, this sounds promising, but mixing it with your meds could push sugars too low. Translation: never DIY this without your clinician. Climb again: antioxidant shield. Those pigments and phenolics can neutralize free radicals in test tubes. Antioxidants support cells under stress. Nice for overall health, though it doesn't mean you're anti-aging overnight. Higher up: antibacterial and antifungal hints. Leaf and flower extracts have shown activity against some bacteria and fungi in lab dishes. Cool for science, still not a substitute for antibiotics when you're actually sick. Almost to the top: anti-cancer potential. Some compounds push cancer cells towards self-destruct in petri dishes. Inspiring for future drug research. Nowhere near a treatment today. Now pause on the landing. Traditional uses. Folk medicine has used Bougainvillea teas and poultices for coughs, sore throats, diarrhea, and skin issues. Traditions guide hypotheses. They don't prove outcomes. Okay, time to check the other side of the ladder: risks. Risk 1: skin and eye irritation. The thorns and tiny bract hairs can scratch and irritate. Sap may bother sensitive skin. Gloves on. Wash hands. Risk 2: allergies and asthma. Pollen and dust from dried bracts can trigger sneezing, watery eyes, or wheezing if you're sensitive. Keep pruning tidy and avoid rubbing your eyes after handling. Risk 3: stomach drama. Homemade teas or high doses can cause nausea, cramps, or diarrhea. More is not more. Risk 4: pets and kids. Not usually deadly, but chewing leaves or bracts can lead to vomiting and drooling. Keep out of reach. Thorns can injure curious hands. Risk 5: drug interactions and special groups. If Bougainvillea lowers blood sugar, it can stack with diabetes meds. Antioxidant supplements can sometimes mess with chemo or certain heart meds. Ask your clinician. There's not enough safety data for pregnancy or breastfeeding, so beneficial or harmful, it's both. Context matters. As a research subject and traditional remedy, Bougainvillea shows promise for inflammation, blood sugar, antioxidants, and microbes. As a backyard plant, it's spiky, messy, and can irritate skin and airways.